actually sound. That's another con about having quadriplegic hands. You have to use your mouth for everything. Just like when I'm about to sharpen this pencil. See, I can't really grip the pencil so I can sharpen it. So what I do is I bite down and I just turn it. There really don't need to be that much. Let's get into these makeup while y'all listen to my bounce Christmas music.
Ooh, ooh. Merry Christmas, baby, we live! Hey! Denicia, let's go!
Hang on the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better.
Hey! Come on, oh!
This Christmas, as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together.
We're gonna have some fun, and the party is gonna be fun.
I've been waiting oh so long.
So long, come on!
I'm gonna dip with you all night long. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. 'Cause
what?
'Cause I got my baby. I'm gonna treat you oh so good. Do the things you never thought I would for you.
Come on!
This
Let's go!
Christmas, you've been a good boy, yeah, it's true. So I got my baby.
Here we go
Lace
now!
me up with new shoes, money in the bank, took the pain in my heart, put a
Let's go!
big show play, go watch TV. When you're ready for dessert, baby, holla at me this Christmas.
I'm on the way. Leave my food in the microwave.
I've been waiting oh so long.
So long, come on.
I'm gonna dip with you all night long. Christmas,
Who you got?
I got my baby.
Let's go!
Let's trim the tree, kiss under the mistletoe. You know I ain't never gonna let you go, no. Oh no.
Hold me tight, don't let me go.
Let's trim the tree, kiss under the mistletoe. You know I ain't never gonna let you go, no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Bring it on.
Ooh, I've been waiting oh so long. I'm gonna dip with you all night long.
Dip me, dip right with ya. It's your boy Big Chew. You got your boy.
Merry Christmas.
Ooh, ooh. Merry Christmas, baby, we live! Hey! Denicia, let's go!
Hang on the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better.
Come on, oh!
This
Let's go!
Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together.
We're gonna have some fun, and the party is gonna be fun.
I've been waiting oh so long.
So long, come on.
I'm gonna dip with you all night
Come on,
long.
let's go.
And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas.
'Cause what?
'Cause I got my baby.
recording, and I feel like I should do my thing like this. Like, I should do my, because my eyes ain't like, you know, popping. But when you put these glasses, on, and you got the eyebrow snatch, put it like that. You got the eyebrow snatch, and you got the lip gloss popping. You got the hair looking bobalicious. Baby, who are me? Who is me? I am Breezy, your favorite light-skinned girl. Hello? Let's get into this Shein video. Okay?